Ke estimate committee jong ke Iingdorbar Thaw Khubor kalasdang ban Peit Sani ke jinglut jingsep ba jingdon kam mang pisa hendriutli ke department jong ke Khuborjylla. Yakini ke estimate committee lam do ba mir pon sim MLE ke nongpo ko mu chairman ba Roni Vilingdo MLE ke Melim ba ba Shakliar Wajri MLE ke Mautha Rashan kilong ki dukhat jongka. Hakani ke kenti ke estimate committee ke Peit Sani ya ke education department ke public works department PWD, public health engineering PHE, social welfare, home police department, but ke information technology and communication. Hakajing ikren bikilap thai Khubor, chairman ba Miril Bonds aim ulai thu kani ke committee kan Peit Sani ke jingdan kam junginik department, but kan saai ya ke kaipot ke Iingdorbar Thaw Khubor Khuborjylla keriti ke dustur ha ke sinchar khadar Peit ba.
In this last 2 days, that is yesterday, the 9 and today, the 10 of April 2026, the estimate committee, Meghalaya State Assembly, we have called a review meeting with 6 departments. That include the education department under the head 4202, and then the PWD department under the head 4059, then the PHE department under the head 4215, and then we had a discussion today, the 10th of April, with the Social Welfare Department with regards to the uncovered villages which do not have Anganwadi Center. And then we have had a meeting with Home Police Department under the head of account 4055, as well as with the Information Technology and Communication Department today to discuss about the ongoing construction of IT Park Umsauli, as well as to get the status of one of the initiatives taken by IT department, that is the last mile connectivity. As a committee mandated by the Meghalaya State Assembly, I'll just give you the gist of the meeting that we had, because the detail of the meeting we will have to produce the floor of the House in form of recommendation and report. But just for the knowledge of the people, that committee under the education department under the head of account 4202, we have discussed thoroughly about the implementation of the construction of various components within various model degree college within the state, that is in Rongjeng and Pathakma, as well as other institutions like Iingdorbar College, the extension and the other infrastructure that we have within various districts, polytechnic in Jawai, in William Nagar, as well as the polytechnic in Nongpo, in Nongstoin, and other part of the state. As well as we have followed up about mission education, the construction of the upgradation of the government LP school within the state. When it comes to PWD, under the head of account 4059, we have discussed about the implementation under this head, especially during the preceding financial year from 2022 onward. And we have reviewed and various projects within the PWD building. This head is under PWD building, the infrastructure within the state and outside the state also, like the Meghalaya House outside the state, the construction, the renovation, the upgradation which has been taken place, we have taken stock of this. With regard to PHE department, to the head of account 4215, we have discussed about various projects, for example, like the completion of the Greater Ampati water supply scheme, as well as other component of other projects within the state also. We have discussed and instructed the department to do as soon as possible so that the project will be completed in due course of time. Then with regard to the meeting today with the Social Welfare Department, we are concerned about the uncovered villages which do not have Anganwadi Center. There are more than 1,600 villages which do not have. And we have taken note of this, and we have advised the Social Welfare Department to find out ways and means to get funds from the central government as well as the state government. Even though most of these villages, they remain uncovered because they didn't fulfill the guidelines, especially with regards to the population and household that they have. So in this regard also we have to discuss it thoroughly. So with regard to the Home Police Department under the head of account 4055, this also we have discussed about the construction or the infrastructure that has been made within the state, be it in the Khasi region or the Garo region also. And we have made an observation that the implementing agency under the Home Police Department, under the head of account 4055, be it the engineering wing of the police headquarters, as well as MGCC, we have instructed them to do it as soon as possible so that they will meet the requirement as per the provision that has been made in the budget during the preceding year. And lastly, we had a meeting with the Information Technology Communication Department, and we're happy to observe that the IT park that has been constructed at New Shillong, it is completed, and we hope that it will serve the purpose to ensure address the unemployment of the region as well as other issues that needed to be incorporated. At the same time, we have discussed about the status of the initiative taken by the government with regard to the last mile connectivity, the dream and aspiration of the Honorable Chief Minister to ensure that the internet, high-speed internet connectivity, it will be available to the citizen at large, especially to the district headquarters, to the block headquarters, as well as the subdivision headquarters. And this is it is at the final stage, even though few area in Tura has been made operationalized, but in other part of the state, very soon we hope that it will be made available, and we have made an observation that it has to be on a fast track so that it will be benefit for the people at large. So these are the observation, and the general observation to the department is that the committee here is here not to point fingers to anyone, not to blame to anyone, but to ensure that whatever provision that has been made through the floor of the House, the preceding budget that has been passed every year, it has to reach till the last mile to the public at large to ensure that whatever amount that has been passed through different demand of grant, to different supplementary demand of grant in the floor of the House, it will be for the benefit of the people at large.